Italian series of Plum's Kitchen. I'm Chloe's mom, and the reason why we've decided to do an Italian theme is we've got family that live in Italy, aunts, cousins, and one day we'd love to be able to take Noah and Chloe, and who doesn't like Italian food? So let's get started.
Today we're going to be making a creamy bacon mushroom pasta. Guys, let's look at the ingredients you'll need for my delicious pasta. Pasta, oil, cream, onion, 10 tomatoes, some rosemary, mushrooms, garlic, bacon.
Right guys, so I'm going to start by finely chopping one onion. Chloe, what are you going to start by doing?
I'm going to start by peeling a mushroom and cutting them into little cubes.
Right, are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's go for it. Right, Chloe, how's it going there?
Good.
Well done, that's perfect. Let's see. That's exactly what your mushrooms need to look like. So what we're going to do now is I've got 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to ask Chloe if she can start crushing them for us, and then we can start adding everything to our pot.
Oh Mum, that onion's really burning my eyes. Is it burning your eyes too?
Yeah, it really is, Chloe.
Right, guys, now put some oil into your pan, and then add your onion and garlic.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is just sweat off our onions a little bit, add the garlic, and then we'll start adding the mushrooms that Chloe chopped, and also get our bacon into the pan as well to start browning off. Right, then I've got some bacon, which I'm going to cut into small little pieces. You can use streaky bacon, back bacon, it doesn't matter. And then we're going to add that and allow that to start browning as well. Okay.
Right, guys, it's time for me to add my mushrooms and bacon into the pan. Rosemary, so I can give it a very good taste. Yo, look at the steam. It smells incredible. Now it's time to add salt and pepper and your tin tomatoes. Once I've added my tomatoes, I'm going to put my pan back onto the stove for a few minutes. Now I'm just going to clean all the mess that I did on the table.
Add a little... Right, whilst Chloe's doing that, I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar to my mushroom and bacon mixture, just to try and take the acidity out of the tomatoes. Another thing that you can use is tomato sauce. I've done that before and it's also worked out really well. Don't do that.
It's very important to taste your food to see if it needs any salt or pepper. So we need to have a taste. Don't forget to blow it, it's hot. I think it tastes good. What do you think?
Excellent, Chloe, good job.
Now what you need to do is add a whole cream into the pan. Right guys, I've left the sauce to sit for a while. Now it's time to add some salt into the water. Right, now water's boiling. Now it's time to add my pasta and then give it a good stir. Guys, be careful when you I'm stirring the pasta because it's very boiling hot. My mom just got burnt. Right guys, I've drained my pasta. Now it's time to add it to the sauce. But first, me and my brother are going to have a race who can suck their pasta up the fastest. Oh, my brother always wins. Well done, Noah. Wow, Mom, this looks really good. I just can't wait for dinner. I really enjoyed making pasta with you. Let's see what the judges think.
Good idea, Chloe. Let's see what Dad and Noah think of our delicious pasta.
Chloe, that's a really nice pasta. Even that hint of rosemary is really, really nice.
Well done, Chloe. Dinner was an absolute hit. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe